Hi there! In today's video, we're gonna see the greetings. When we first meet people and before we start the conversation, we greet them. We say hi, hello, good morning, etc. There are plenty of words that we can use. We can say good morning, hi, hello, good evening, good afternoon, hey, what's up? But the question is, when do we use each of them? Greeting words go hand in hand with the time and the period of the day. We have the morning, the afternoon, the evening, and the night. For example, in the morning, we say good morning, good morning. In the afternoon, we say good afternoon, good afternoon. In the evening, we say good evening. And at night, and before we go to bed, we say good night, good night. Remember, hi and hello can be said anytime. Before we leave, we can say bye, goodbye, see you later, take care, or have a nice day. Remember, when we greet people, we have to distinguish between two types of greetings. We have formal and informal greeting vocabulary. Now, when we greet people like friends and family, we can use informal language, informal greeting vocabulary like hi, hi there, what's up, see ya. But when we talk to people we don't know, people we meet for the first time, or people we owe more respect like our teachers, etc., we have to use formal greeting vocabulary like hello, good morning, good day. As you can see in the picture, we have 4 periods in the day: the morning, the afternoon, the evening, and the night. And accordingly, we make the greetings. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time.